Yes, sir.
After that, community cloud. What is this one? Community cloud.
Sir, one is question is there, sir. Sir, whether Zoom would be a private cloud or a community cloud?
No,
I don't
community
think
cloud basically deals with one particular society. Okay, like some housing society form their own cloud. Okay, and inside it they are providing some services. So this is some LAN type of things are there, local area network type of arrangements are there. That deals with particular community. That deals with the particular community. Whenever anyone enters in that particular community, automatically he is authorized to access this one with some credentials. So that comes under the community cloud. Another one is the hybrid cloud. What does it mean if you are saying the cloud hybrid cloud?
It's a mix of private and public cloud or community cloud, all the three.
Yes, sir. It is a combination of all the things, or basically public plus private. Okay, public plus private, sir. Okay, these things are there: public, private, and the community cloud. Okay, all combination of this one can be a hybrid cloud. So your infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and the this one your application as a service or software as a service, that is the part of functional categorization of cloud. And these are the cloud deployment model, or you can say type of clouds. Is that clear between the difference between these two?
Sir, can you please give us some examples of public cloud?
Public
Facebook,
cloud is
sir,
just like your Arogya Setu, you can say.
Arogya Setu.
Yes.
Okay.
Google Drive also is a public cloud.
No, sir. Inside the Google also you can say somehow, but some authorization is required, sir. Some authorization is required, because without authorization you cannot. You have to subscribe the things. Okay, you have to subscribe the things. You have to take the subscription from the Google. Okay, for up to 15 GB it is free. Up to 15 GB it is free, but if you require more, so you need to put some money in the system. Is that clear, sir?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, what about Facebook and Twitter? These would be the private clouds.
It will be a hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it will be a hybrid, because important thing is you require some authorization. First of all, you require a password type, or some amount of credential exchanges. Okay, even Facebook or whatever it may be, you require some credentials. Okay, username, password.
Okay, sir.
Now these are the service model that I have already discussed: IaaS, PaaS, and the SaaS. Okay, that is the end user. We have taken the example of this Office 365 application developer, that is the PaaS. Your operating system, I have taken the example. You have the package software like your utility software in the form of MS Office. I have taken this one, and your network servers, storage, and all these things, computing, all these things will be related to your infrastructure as a service. I hope now it is very much clear about that. Another one is, these are the cloud computing features. Okay, basically 10 features are there on which your entire cloud system is based. First one is the resource pooling. Another one is your on-demand self-service. Another one is easy maintenance, large network access. Okay, availability, always on and always be available wherever your location is. If connectivity is there, then measured services, pays as per users. Okay, and security is there. You don't worry about the security whenever you access the Google account, so you not need to worry about this security. Basically it is a third party, it is managed by the third party. And related to one thing is there, have you ever heard the ISO 27001? Anybody is familiar
yes, sir.
about the
Yes,
ISO
sir. Yes, sir.
27001?
Yes, sir.
What is
So
this
it is
one?
environment, I think.
Sir,
No.
I'm not getting. Can you speak
It is
loud, sir?
it is security
Environment,
of
sir.
data. It is security of data and
Information security, sir.
we are
ISMS
managing.
basically. It is a ISMS,
ISMS.
Information Security Management System. And for your organization point of view, if you have some small organization and you are adopting the ISMS, this one, so it will be a very challenging task. It will be a very challenging task. But on the other side, if you govern or if you own the cloud platform, you no need to worry about that. Your third party or the management is worried about that one, and it is the job of that particular organization or the managing party it will take care of about the security of the cloud. Another one is economical. How we can say it is economical? Neha, can you explore this one? How we can say it is economical?
Yes, sir, definitely. So basically, we have a pool of resources which we can access and then and expand and reduce as per our needs. So if we do not access the cloud and we will try to arrange everything on ourselves, so it would be a one big time cost. So
Yes.
in that case, it is an economical service, cloud.
Another one is the automatic system. You not need to worry about that. First, you need to purchase the hardware, software like that, and what process should run first. So no need to worry about that, because whenever we are running one particular, we want to execute some ecosystem application in a particular ecosystem. We need to worry about that. Okay, which task should or which process should run first. So no need to worry about that. So it is completely automatic. Okay, Anurag ji is there. Anurag ji,
Sir. Yes, sir.
are you getting my
Yes,
voice,
sir.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Clear,
my
sir.
one basic question is there. Okay, if you
Yes,
want
sir.
to purchase one laptop in today's
Yes,
scenario,
sir.
so which configuration of laptop you
Okay.
will purchase, sir? Or another side, if you want to explore more in my question, okay, which configuration
sir.
you will say it will be a latest one?
Sir, actually, I don't have much idea about the processor,
Okay.
but it should have at least 4 GB RAM
Yes.
and at least 4 TB of hard disk.
Yes.
And further, it should have webcam,
Yes.
graphic cards,
Definitely.
multimedia cards, etc.
Very good, sir. Very
Everything
good, sir.
is required.
Sir, basic aim is for asking this question is okay, there is no limit of hardware basically. At the one side, if you are satisfying at the 4 GB RAM, I am asking about the 16 GB RAM. Okay, for the machine learning and such type of algorithms, whenever huge data I want to process. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So whenever huge amount of data processing is required, there is no, that means we are living in the world or we are entering in the world where computation has no limit. Okay, we have
No limit, sir.
infinite amount of this calculation is required. So for that, definitely
So, but cost is a constraint and application
definitely, sir,
for which I am purchasing it.
Sir,
This.
very excellently you have replied this one, sir. So cost one. So cost economic means basically that I want to
Yes.
say it is related
Yes,
to the this one. It is related to the cloud basically. So somehow you
Yes,
sooner than later you need to adopt the cloud phenomena for that one. So hope you have got the
Sure,
idea
sir.
about that. Is there any doubt inside the cloud? Buddham
Sir,
ji?
can you please once again repeat the security ISO 27001?
Yeah, Neha,
thing?
basically why ISMS 27001 is the separate field. How to achieve the security or what are the security arrangements you can make in your organization in the in today's cyber world. Basically, it is related to the just like ISO 9001. Another standard is there, that is the ISO 27001 that abide towards the cyber security or in the form of ISMS and your data security also. So whenever you are in your organization, you say okay, my organization is somehow cyber secure. So there should be some pattern, there should be some standard. Okay, I will ask definitely what standard you are adopting. You are adopting. So if you say okay, we are adopting okay, some password we reset frequently. Okay, we have set the time frame of 1 week for every employee, or illegal access is denied. So many things are there, you will say. So at combined of this one, you will make your own cyber security policy for the user point of view, and what basically parameters will be there, what type of things will be there, what you need to adopt this one. Entire thing you will find inside ISO 27001. If time permits, I will take one lecture on ISO 27001, but I don't know okay, how much I will cover. I can cover inside this one or that one. Is that clear? So whenever you are building the infrastructure just like a cloud, so you need to worry by means of cyber security, this security, you need to worry about that whenever you are developing your own hardware and software based architecture in your organization. You have to much worried about the security. But whenever you are adopting the cyber, this cloud phenomena, cloud based technologies, you need not worry about the ISO 27001 adaptation and all these things. These are basically related to or managed by the third party or who will be the owner of this cloud platform. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, how is on-demand self-service is different from availability?
Sir, availability means accessibility basically. Availability means related to the accessibility. It should be available to
Okay.
at any time. There should not be a fixed amount of time. It is only accessible between 10 to 5, just like
Sure.
our office
Okay,
PC.
okay, sir.
Okay, just like your office PC. Okay, it is available only for 10 to 5, and from your home if you want to access, that means you have to this one access through the TeamViewer or
TeamViewer.
Zoom or whatever it may be. Okay, and if you are accessing
Okay,
through the
sir.
TeamViewer, sir, just frankly it is telling you, if you at night 10 p.m. you want to, there is some need arises, you are accessing that through the TeamViewer, your office PC or your system PC. Is it okay, sir? Is it okay? Is it good?
No, sir.
Yes or no, sir?
No,
Are
sir.
you
No,
getting
sir.
my question, sir, or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is not good to use at night.
Sir, where it is not good, your intent, there is no doubt in your intention, sir. Okay, it is
Yes,
highly appreciable, but what cyber security says or ISO 27001 says, it should be documented. It should be documented that Mr. XYZ, Mr. Anurag ji is there or Neha is there. Neha accessed has right to access this PC or this system at any time. Okay, through the TeamViewer, and moreover you should have the authorized version of purchased version of TeamViewer, sir. Okay, so these should be
okay, sir.
documented, and further at particular moment in odd hours you have access the system, it should also be documented on some papers or in some software system. Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neha, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, resource pooling and economical, is this different term or
what is
hello? Resource pooling and economical, these two, how
resource
they are
pool?
differ?
Sir, resource pooling is like that. Okay, suppose at any moment your application require Linux also and the Windows 10 also. Okay, but in your PC it is very difficult to run the two operating systems simultaneously or at the same time. Okay, but okay, in the resource pooling side, resource pooling means same Linux can be used by another person also or for you or also, and you can make the categorization also inside the cloud. You can make your schedule also. You can make your own schedule also for the organization point of view. Okay, that means some if you have the some device basically that is decided inside the cloud, so you can make the pooling also, resource pooling also for the different employees, sir. Like that, it is a resource. Huh.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, any doubt?
Sir, I would like to add on the point resource pooling.
Huh.
Same resources are being used by each and everyone. That is
Huh,
what
sir,
is called
definitely.
resource pooling.
Yeah, basically it is open. Okay, there is no constant type of things are there. Okay, one particular thing is available for one particular thing. It is not like that. There we are living. Cloud means basically it is a simply a imaginary or virtual world it will be a imaginary or virtual world. Inside that there is no limit of computing, there is no limit of storage, or there is no limit of application or the software. Any type of software, any type of operating system, any type of application, any amount of computation you can run inside that, sir. Is that clear, sir? This is the basic amount of the information related to the cloud, and we have the various type of clouds. It can be a your this one hybrid, it can be your public, it can be your private. Okay, it can be your community cloud also. And further functional categorization, if I want to add, functional categorization is basically categorized into the this one infrastructure as a service, and the platform as a service, and the software as a service. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the integration of cloud computing and Internet of Things. Okay. So we have the industrial, transport, environmental, and healthcare. Okay, different type of environment we will get in the industry form. That is the manufacturing. Is smart manufacturing, you can say. Smart transport, you can say. Smart transport, what I mean to say, it will be a connected transport. And healthcare, it can be a smart city also. What basically a smart city is, I will take very quickly in subsequent slides. Basically electronic devices, whether wearable or wearable, like your Fitbit band or this type of things, smart watches, and home automation also. Or if you want to interconnect all these, okay, so you require a cloud computing. All will be connected with the cloud computing, and you forget about the what basically you require okay, how much computing devices I need, how much capacity of servers I need to purchase, and what basically a software will be required, what type of web of things will be required. All you will found inside the cloud. So I have asked one question, sir. I have asked one question, okay, what is the difference between the SCADA and IoT? If you remember in the
Yes, sir.
last assignment. So this is the difference. It is
Yes.
SCADA 1, SCADA 2, SCADA 3, SCADA 3. Okay. Further this one, SCADA 1, SCADA 2, SCADA 3. All are grouped, and for the ecosystem, to building a ecosystem, we require a cloud computing. So cloud computing is the only thing. Here you will find the storage also, you will find the process also, and all the things you will find inside that, your AI also. So have you got the clear idea about this one? Okay, what basically a cloud computing is, what are the different configuration, and what it makes the sense inside the IoT. Clear, sir, or any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Okay, Neha, it is clear? Neha, any doubt? Sir, another thing is the device as a service. This is the latest one. This is the latest one in the cloud phenomena, and a lot of times over the Facebook, you heard the DaaS, DaaS, DaaS as a service. I hope you have heard or you have seen the word DaaS, device as a service. Can you tell what basically a DaaS is? Uttam ji is there. Uttam
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Uttam
Yes,
ji.
sir. Hello.
Uttam ji, are you getting my voice?
I'm getting your voice,
Sir,
but
what is
I
device as a
don't
service?
device as a service. I don't know the answer, sir.
Okay, don't worry about that, sir. Device as a service, it is a new
It's a
concept.
virtual desktop infrastructure service.
Definitely, exactly, excellently, sir, you have replied. Sir, your name?
Vishwajit, sir.
Vishiji, sorry, I have forget your name. Vishiji, very well, you have replied this one. It is nothing but a virtualization of infrastructure layer. It is
Thank you, sir.
nothing else. Okay, another possibility or advancement inside the cloud computing, because cloud computing is not a latest concept that evolved from last 2 years or 3 years. It is a years back concept. Basically, you can say 10 years or 12 years back concept is there. So another dimension or the latest dimension is that device as a service. And the main theme for the device as a service is better than buying, more than leasing. What does it mean? What does it mean?
It means it's better to use by leasing.
Better
Rather,
to use. That means as per your uses or as per your need, it is better to lease. Okay,
yes, sir.
to get the lease things, because if you buy the things, it is very difficult to upgrade or update the things. Okay, like your smartphone also, whenever you purchase the smartphone, you will find that after 1 year or 2 years, what is the main problem? Or configuration goes outdated. Okay, configuration goes outdated. But another side, if you lease this one, the main thing is automatically it will be upgraded, and it is the part of the third party or the cloud platform provider. Okay, cloud owner. So the thing is, your choice of devices you will get configured, deployment, and the manage and supported all are managed by the this centralized part, cloud part, and packaged in a single per device monthly fee. That will be, it can be on the device as per the users, or it can be a monthly subscription. Have you got this one, device as a service? Neha, is there any doubt inside device as a service?
No, sir. Clear.
Clear?
Sir, like
Diksha is there?
using
Clear,
this
sir.
radio taxi.
Diksha is there? Diksha, any doubt? Okay,
Sir,
thank
just
you.
one thing I need to ask.
Your name?
Supposing, hello.
Yeah, Neha.
Yeah, sir, I
Yeah,
just need to ask one thing. Sir, just in case we have a device and sir, we want to lease it. So, matlab how would it automatically be upgraded?
basically, I am giving this a assignment. Okay, I am giving this as a assignment. So you work out upon this one, because it is a latest concept inside the cloud. Okay, because what I require, okay, what I am expecting ki you study for 5 or 2 minutes on the device as a service, and if you have any doubt, we will take this in the next class or the tomorrow class. Is that clear? Because it is a latest
Okay, sir.
concept. Whatever doubts you have, I appreciate this one. So you share this in the WhatsApp group. I will reply each and every
Yes,
question.
sir.
And further, if you have any doubt, I will take in the next class. So today's assignment
Okay,
date.
sir.
बेटा अंकल को कहते पापा क्लास ले रहे हैं जूम पे. Is that clear? My question is clear.
Sir, yes, sir. Question is quite
How
clear.
does work? Okay, how does work in a cloud platform? Okay, what how the this doubt is this by the Neha. Okay, how the configuration, deployed, managed, and support services will be there, and what type of how the device choice will be there inside this one, and the third part is also there. That is clear. I think it can be your as per the users or the this one monthly basis also, monthly device monthly fee also. So this type of thing will be there. So today's assignment is how basic thing is there. Okay, how does work? Okay, simple thing is how does work now. And don't worry about that. If you have any doubt, I will take this in the next class.
Sir, all the devices can be used as a device as a service.
Sir, it will depend, sir. It will depend. It is a new possibility basically. It is a new possibility. One thing basically, we are living in a today's world where we people hate from the hardware. Okay, we have very loving nature towards the software. We only and only want to see the software. We basically hate the hardware. So one possibility is search out, can this device be offered from the cloud platform? Okay, it is another name of device as a service, and a lot of MNCs adopting this service, that is the device as a service. And you work out upon this one, we will discuss. Have you got this idea, sir? Okay, this is the DAS basically on in a more elaborated way. This one is starting from the top. Ability to use any app or any device anytime from anywhere. Okay, strong security, but without inconvenience. Okay, you need not worry about the security also. Okay, it is not for the individual. Basically, we have the centralized platform over which your security will be there, and personalized service bundles that recognize each user's uniqueness, all the support they need, when and where they need it. Basically, at some moment in your smartphone also, you at some moment you puzzled ke how this configuration will be there. You people basically search out the YouTube or this one ke you load this particular package to support that particular app. So this type of thing will not be there. All the things will be managed by the third party. Access to all their data at any time. It will be stored at a centralized place, so there will not be any type of storage on your phone. Okay, in the device as a service. Okay, because at one particular moment you are worried about the, as Anuragji told, in the laptop they require the 4 GB RAM. In the mobile configuration also, what you require? Okay, in the mobile configuration, what you require ke 4 GB RAM should be there, or 6 GB RAM should be there, 128 GB hard disk you require, because some data you want to store. But in case of this device as a service,
Yes.
you no need not to
Yes,
worry about this one, about the configuration, all the things, even your single whenever you store some single number also, this will be stored in a cloud platform. After that, you have to access to all their data at all time, flexible, intelligent, office space adjusted to the needs. Okay, no further this thing is required. You can access your office, okay, from your mobile smartphone or the some connected device. Basically, single pane of glass access to all service here means if you want to develop some software, sir. Anurag, if you want to develop some software, is it possible that through your
Yes, sir.
mobile smartphone you can develop, because you require laptop? If I want to run some program in a
And
Python, okay, so is it possible?
no,
Can
sir.
I run this one on the smartphone, sir? Because it has a very low processing device.
No, sir. It's not possible. Yes, sir.
It is not possible. Na?
Processor is
Further,
low.
I require the laptop or
No,
this
sir.
one. Further, I require the laptop or desktop
Yes, sir.
type of things.
Laptop or
But in
desktop. Yes, sir.
yes, but in case of DAS, sir, in case of DAS, it is possible, sir, through
Okay.
your smartphone, because it will be connected to your this one cloud. Over the
Cloud.
cloud, what
Yes, sir.
you have the computation also, you have the storage also, you have the software also. So no need to worry about that. Okay, you will not store, you will not load anything, any OS on that particular, because your operating system has on the Android version. So it is very difficult to run particular application or build up one particular application over the Android in smartphone, basically with a limited storage or limited processing amount of this thing. So you need this benefit in the cloud platform. Single pane of glass, access to all services. Each and every service is accessible inside through the one single device. The bottom line is that in many cases, current platforms are not delivering the required functionality, and with the help of DAS, okay, with the help of DAS, you can achieve this one. Is there any doubt up to this one? Have you got a little bit idea about the DAS? Neha,
Sir.
Neha,
Yes, sir.
DAS
sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, have you got my idea that I want to deliver through the smartphone example?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, example is, suppose I want to run a machine learning algorithm, okay, or artificial intelligence algorithm through my smartphone. In today's scenario, where you will restrict, you will find the constraint inside the computing and the storage. Okay,
Yes.
so that means in terms of DAS, your mobile phone, okay, will behave just like a device as a service. The only job of your device will be, it will be connected to your cloud. Okay, it will provide your in the connectivity through the cloud, and through this smartphone you can access each and everything, and even you can build your ecosystem or your software through your smartphone. This is the idea about the DAS. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Super fine. And today's assignment is how DAS work, what basically a DAS is, and I expect each and everyone you will work out upon this one and share some fact what basically working about the DAS is. Okay, so resource type, this is the some small facts. One is the on-premise computing, another one is the cloud computing. Okay, computing basically categorized into two parts. One is the on-premises as per the IoT aspect, on-premise. Another one is the cloud. Okay, if we say the cloud, it is a functional categorization of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Okay, application software, on-premise computing, user PaaS model, it is a shared one, and SaaS model, it depends upon the vendor. Okay, what type of software you are using, whether it is MS Office related to the Microsoft or whatever things are there. Machine, virtual machine, in case of on-premises. Okay, on-premises, you can see storage, servers, virtual machines, application software, all belongs to the user in case of on-premise computing. But in case of cloud computing, okay, application software, that means us is related to the user. Okay, but in case of servers, all are related with the third party or the vendor side. Storage means, on computing, if you are worried about, if you are using the on-premises computing, it is related to the user. But in case of cloud, it is related to, no headache from your side, it is managed by the vendor or the third party. And for the network point of view, networking point of view, it is a on-premises computing. Okay, if it is on premises computing, somehow it is related to the vendor and somehow it is related to you. Okay, what type of technology you are adopting, whether SD-WAN or whatever things you are dealing with. And in case of this cloud model, everything is related to the this one. Everything is related to the vendor side. Is that clear? This one. Now, have you heard the mist computing word?
Yes.
Have you heard the mist computing? Anybody from you?
No, sir, no.
Uttamji is there. Vishwajit ji, are you?
Yes, sir.
Vishwajit, have you heard the mist computing?
Sir, I think it resides between the cloud and data part, I think.
Sir, definitely cloud and data part. Okay, because 2-3 new words are adding inside that. Okay, cloud computing, it is okay. I hope you have got the clear cut about idea about what basically cloud is, how cloud works, what are the things you will find inside the cloud. Totally virtual world is there, what are the functional categorization is there, what type of different clouds are there. You learn a lot of things related to the cloud. But I'm relating to the computing part basically. Okay, computing part. Okay, one of the feature that you will find inside the cloud. Okay, you will find inside the cloud, that is in the form of mist computing. Okay, or so many few new words are there, that is the edge computing, fog computing, and the mist computing. Okay, MIST, mist computing. Inside the computing world, three words you will frequently heard: edge computing, fog computing, and mist computing, and the cloud computing. First of all, I want to tell you, cloud computing is all of the above. Cloud computing is all of the above. Below to that, your all the things will come, that is the edge computing, fog computing, and the mist computing. And mist computing is mist computing is mist computing is don't worry about the mist computing. Mist computing is nothing but a edge computing plus fog computing. Okay, there is no separate type of thing is there. Okay, you will find okay, mist computing is there. I have taken this word for you because after that you will ask what basically a mist computing is. Mist computing is nothing but mist computing formula is mist computing is equals to edge computing, nothing else. Okay, a lot of people use the word miscomputing, and so many people are using the word of edge computing or the fog computing. Is that clear? What is the difference between the cloud computing, miscomputing, edge computing, and fog computing? Inside the cloud computing, you will find the edge computing and fog computing. It is also one part of this cloud computing. Is that clear, sir? What is the difference between miscomputing and this one? Sir, this thing is there, cloud to all of above. Okay, cloud to all of the above. After that, you will find the edge computing, sir. Sir, anybody can give the idea about the edge computing? What do you mean about the edge?
Sir,
Are you
edge
getting my voice?
computing. Sir, hello.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Sir, edge computing could be the minor computing at the device end.
Definitely, definitely. As the name itself, it is there. Edge means a possibility of some some form of computing at the device edge. Okay, device edge means that I have taken the example of smart bulb. Smart bulb. Okay, that means there should be some form of calculation or some sort of this computing ability at the device